Vision. CPC is a dynamic institution of higher learning which is accessible, globally competitive, culturally morally sensitive towards sustainable ecotourism and natural resource development. Section 3 of RA 7923, the college shall provide professional, technical, and special instruction for special purposes and to promote research and extension services, advanced studies, and progressive leadership in agriculture, forestry, engineering, arts and sciences, and other relevant studies. The CPC objectives are the following. 1. Provide training in the various fields of agriculture, arts and sciences, business and governance, education, engineering and computer studies, technologies, and other relevant studies. 2. Equip the students with skills, positive attitude, self-knowledge, and expertise that would make them productive and useful members of society. 3. Cultivate the students' open-mindedness, critical thinking, appreciation for environment, creativity, resourcefulness, and hard work. 4. Offer a balanced education that demands quality performance for among the faculty and maximum efforts of the students. 5. Constantly upgrade the quality of its instructions in all curricular programs. 6. Establish linkages with other government agencies, non-government organizations, and industry for alignment of synchronization of operations and employment opportunities of graduates. 7. Promote progressive leadership in research, extension, and production needed for socio-economic upliftment of the province and the region. And 8. Provide technical and special instruction and relevant students service and students with special needs and persons with disabilities and promote inclusive education. Quality policy. Camiguin Polytechnic State College, an institution of higher learning in the island of Camiguin, commits to provide quality higher education, technical instruction, research, extension, and production services to meet the increasing stakeholders' requirements through continual improvement of its quality management system.